Hello viewers, welcome back to our YouTube channel where we constantly update you for your dream job. As you all know that Wipro has announced a national talent hunt for hiring freshers, and we are here with the step-by-step registration process for the Wipro Elite National Talent Hunt 2022. Today, I, Prachi Bhatt, will be taking you through the entire step-by-step registration process of Wipro Elite National Talent Hunt 2022. Before getting started, do not forget to hit the bell icon and get the notification for the latest videos. Also, let me tell you that Cantilever Labs is offering a free course by which you can prepare for aptitude, coding, mock interviews, and test series for absolutely free, and also crack the top company hiring exams like TCS, NQT, TCS Ninja, Wipro NLTH, Cognizant, Capgemini, and many more. Kindly find the link in the description box given below and register today for the free course. First of all, let me give you a brief introduction. Wipro Elite National Talent Hunt 2022 is a fresher hiring program to attract the engineering students of the 2022 batch. So this is a big opportunity for all the employment that can be done for engineering students of the batch of 2022. And are you an enthusiastic engineering student? If you are, then you cannot miss on this opportunity, which can provide you a 3.5 LPA package with a job role of a product engineer. The registration for this recruitment has already started from 23rd August 2021 and is soon going to end on 15th of September 2021. So, you don't have much time left. Register as soon as possible. Online assessment has also been scheduled from 25th September to 27th September 2021. And the link for the registration page has already been given in the description box given below. So please click on that link and go to register.
So once you click on the link given in the description box, you will be directed to this particular page, which is the Wipro Elite NTH 2022 careers page. And you'll find the details about the overview, eligibility criteria, and evaluation process. You can go through that and just click on the Apply Now tab. Once you click on the Apply Now tab, you will be directed to the second page where again you will find certain details which you should be going through. Just read through them. And after you read through them, just click on the top right corner. You can see this Register Now icon. Click on the Register Now. Once you click on it, you'll be directed to the other page of Superset. And in this page also, you'll find certain details about the job description, and most importantly this particular detail of the last application deadline that we have, last date to apply for this application. So go through it and kindly register before time, because you may find some technical issues later on. So don't wait till the last date. You better apply early. And then when you scroll down, you'll find this Apply Now icon. So click on Apply Now. Once you click on Apply Now, they'll be asking you for an email address. You can just paste your email address here and click on Next. When you click on Next, they'll show you an icon of Register and Apply. So click on Register and Apply. Once you click on this Register and Apply, you will be directed to this page. This page is the Wipro Elite NTH 2022 registration page. And this is a registration page where you can start in filling your details.
So once you're on the registration page, on the left side you can see some tabs. These tabs are nothing but your basic details, where you have to fill in your basic details like your name, your date of birth, gender, college, primary email address, personal email address, and then create a password after you enter your mobile number. So for the password, you can create a simple password that you can remember, or else just note that password down somewhere, because that will help you for future reference. Agree to the terms and conditions and then click on Save and Continue. Then Save and Continue or Save and Next. So when you have this, when you click on the Save and Next tab, you'll have a dialog box which appears. Now this dialog box will appear so that you can check your details again. If there is some error, please go to click Go Back and Edit. Once you're going to edit it, so you can save the information and then save and continue. So likewise you can rectify the errors. After this, you need to fill in your contact details. Here also it will be asking you to verify the email ID. So click on Verify Email ID and an OTP will be sent to your registered email ID. You have to enter that OTP. Then enter your OTP and then that email will be verified then and there. So then you have to fill in your permanent and current address. Then after filling it up, you have to click on the placement details. Now here you'll have a drop down menu which is going to appear when you click on placement details, and you have to select from the choices which are given to you. So according to your suitability, you have to click the right choice, and then you need to upload your resume. Here make sure you have a very good drafted resume, and if you're facing any errors in making your resume, or are having doubts regarding the interview preparation for such companies like Wipro, be it Amazon, Cognizant, so you can take our Career Catalyst program, which is a mentorship program, and that can help you in drafting a good resume and also clearing your doubts regarding the interview process. So here make sure when you're uploading your resume, it has to be in a PDF format. So kindly ensure that your resume is in PDF format and only then upload it. Then you have to click on save and next. After this, you need to fill in your current education details. So here also you will have two options, and you have to choose from the one which is suitable to you and applicable to you. Then you need to fill in the program details, the branch, the batch, the course start and end date, the institute roll number, the semester. And now if you are a lateral entry, then you have to click on the tick on the checkbox which has been given there, and saying that you are from a lateral entry. Then otherwise you have to enter your percentage and backlog details if you're having any backlogs. Again click on save and next. After this, you need to fill in your previous education details. Previous education details are nothing but your 10th and 12th class details, wherein class 12 or equivalent degree if you've done. If you haven't done your class 12 but have done diploma, so you can fill in that details. Then your program, degree and certificate, the school from which you've completed your class 10th and 12th, the board, the education type, was it full-time or part-time, the score in grades or in the percentage, however it has been given to your through your school board. Then your branch and specialization, be it science, commerce, arts. Most of you, I guess, must be from science itself. So according to your branch details, you have to mention them in this particular field. Then you'll have the duration of the course. Then your class 10th details are again in the similar format as you filled in for class 12. So similarly, you fill it for class 10th, and after this again click on save and next. So after this, once you fill in your, remember that class 12th and 10th details, once you're filling them up, if you also want to add some other education details, you can mention them in the particular field given. Then you need to fill in your internship and your experience details. That is, if you have done an internship, you can mention all details about your internship. If not, you can move further and click on save and next. And if you have any work experience, if you are having a prior work experience somewhere in some other company, you can mention that also in the particular field given. After this, you need to upload your photograph. Again, make sure it's a very good presentable photo, and according to the specifications which are already given there. So you already should be prepared actually with all of this, because as you guys must be applying for many other companies also, make sure that any form that you're filling, do read it carefully before registration, and accordingly be ready with all documents so that it doesn't take much time for you to register. Then after you fill in your uploading details of your photograph, you upload them and click on save and next. Then you'll be directed to the agreement policy page. Now in the agreement policy page, you just need to click on agree and apply. It will land you on a page which is stating that applied successfully. Also, you will immediately receive an email saying that your registration was successful at Wipro NLTH 2022. So these can act as your confirmatory steps, so that you have an insight that you've already completed your registration successfully. And this was the entire registration process, and I hope it has helped you understand the complete registration process for Wipro NTH 2022. Remember, the last date to apply is 15th of September and also 11:59 p.m. trying to be specific here. So do not make a delay. Kindly register as soon as possible. And if you are facing any problems, as I mentioned, regarding the registration process, I think this video was very helpful for you. Kindly let us know in the comment section below that the topics on which you want us to make videos, so that we can come up with them. We'll be happy to make them for you. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel, because we'll be coming with more such content in future. So then you can start preparing, because Cantilever Labs over here is very passionate in helping you guys prepare for your placement exams and the other recruitment and hiring exams that you're appearing for. Because we keep on posting interesting materials on the Instagram, Discord and LinkedIn channels, so you can even go and follow and check out them. So you have any updates that come up for other recruitment drives, we can just put it up there and you can just have a look at over there. So that's all for today's video, and thank you very much for watching. All the best.